Hello everyone, welcome back to another live session with Amul. Let's get the technical glitches out as usual. If you can hear me loud and clear and if you can watch me nice and fine, then give me a big thumbs up or show me a wow face or even give me a good heart. Okay guys, hello, welcome back. I'm once again live on Amul's Facebook page. If you can hear me loud and clear and if you can watch me fine, then give me a big thumbs up, show me a heart face or give me a good smiley face so that I would know that we are going live properly.
That's great. Yes, they can hear you clearly.
Awesome. So yesterday, the whole India celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi and it's a big festival all over India. So let's start by saying Ganpati Bappa
Moria!
Mangal Murti
Moria!
Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. On that note, we are starting our today's live session. But before that, you take a look here. I'll be right back. So this is Cook with Dhaval. What is Cook with Dhaval? It's my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel's name, where I show variety of different classical and modern recipes or my take on it. And if you would like to watch such recipes, do join in on my page. A big thumbs up to Amul for starting such a great initiative, because during those difficult times, we have to cheer everyone around us really well, and Amul is doing that through this initiative. So big thumbs up Amul, keep up the good work. Not just they're feeding us with this great Amul products, but they're also supporting our morale, making us happy, giving us good food. So thank you Amul for giving me this opportunity. A little bit about myself, those who are joining in new. My name is Dhaval Karandikar. I have graduated in Hospitality Management from Institute of Hotel Management, Ahmedabad in 2010, and ever since I have been working with variety of 5-star hotels and different restaurant chains in India as well as here in Canada. Currently I'm situated in Edmonton, Canada, and that's why it's day here. Like, I know it's 11 p.m. in India and 11:30 here in Canada. So where are you all guys joining in from? I'm curious to know, because I'm pretty sure you are watching me from every corner of the world. So let me know in comments where all you guys are joining me from. And so I've been working with Fairmont and Oberoi hotels, like these big brands, and during which I have really enjoyed working with Amul, because Amul have such a great products, and I'm happy to share one of my favorite midnight snacking recipe using those Amul products. So I'm pretty sure you guys are joining in from Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Calcutta. Can you read some comments?
Yes, so we have people joining from Jamshedpur, Bangalore, Mumbai, UAE, from Assam.
Wow. I'm grateful to connect to you guys. So without doing much talking, let's start our recipe. Snacking. Snacking is basically breakfast, lunch and dinner is sorted, and everything in middle is snacking. When I think of midnight snacking, it just takes me back to my hostel days. We used to stay in hostel in Ahmedabad, and I had a big group, we called them Hawks. If you guys remember, Anirudh, Gitesh, Mohit, Astana, big shout out to you guys. I really enjoyed my 3 years at hostel. I'm pretty sure many of you guys have stayed in hostel, and what happened was around 12 o'clock, रात के 12 बजे जोर की भूख लग जाती थी. We were so hungry that we could eat anything. So we used to have some snacking packets from everybody's home, like everybody's moms used to send us this nice snacks, and we used to hog on it like crazy. And we had a small restaurant or dhaba nearby, and we used to order a big stack of aloo paratha right in midnight, like 12 o'clock in the midnight. So this whole 30 or 40 parathas, we used to destroy it within half an hour between 4 of us or 5 of us. So which was my midnight snacking memory. What is your midnight snacking memory, or what is your snacking memory in general? Because I'm pretty sure we all love snacking, don't we all? क्या है आपकी स्नैकिंग की रेसिपी? मुझे तो स्नैकिंग बोल के मैं तुरंत चला गया अपने हॉस्टल डेज में, और आई ऑलमोस्ट रीलिव दोज मोमेंट्स जब हम इतनी बड़े 40 पराठों का स्टैक खा जाते थे. लेट मी नो इन कमेंट्स व्हाट्स योर मेमोरी. And today's dish is mushrooms on toast. It is as easy as it sounds. Mushrooms on toast. Yeah, mushroom masala on toast. So basically what I've done is mushrooms on toast is a classic recipe to which I have given a little bit Indian twist, a little bit Indian flair, and I'm making mushroom masala on toast today. So without doing much, I'm going to switch on gas here. So keep your gas on medium flame, and to make mushroom masala, what we have to make first? Masala. So let's get on with this masala. I have some black peppercorns. Let's say around a tablespoon of black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, or I mean coriander seeds, and I'm going to roast it nice and slow. So what happens when you roast these spices whole and ground them fresh? It creates a really fresh, good flavor in our dish. That's why I'm not using any store-bought masala today. I'm making my own masala, and it's really, really easy. This is similar to kadai masala what we make, and a good trick to roasting masala is adding a little bit of salt while roasting. So what it does is it increases the temperature, and it helps our masalas to cook evenly and develop really nice flavor. When it will be roasted, let's say 5 minutes on slow flame, 5 to 6 minutes, it would have nice aroma. आप खुशबू सुन पाएंगे मसालों की, और आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मसाले तैयार है. जब मसाले तैयार है तो इसमें हम ऐड कर देंगे थोड़ी सी मिर्ची. आई एम यूजिंग चिली फ्लेक्स हियर. तो यू कैन गो एज लिटिल और एज मच एज यू वुड लाइक. अगर आपको ज्यादा मिर्ची पसंद है तो ज्यादा मिर्ची डाल दे, अगर कम मिर्ची पसंद है तो कम मिर्ची डाल दे. और बस ये हमने उसको कर लिया टोस्ट. टोस्ट करके अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे इसको और ग्राइंड कर देंगे. तो मैं इसमें डाल देता हूं. इसको मैं रखता हूं बाजू में, तब तक आप इधर देखिए.
So we have some memories for Maggie, then
yeah.
Rajdhani restaurant. Baghi's Sood says he has some memories with Punjab University for night street food.
Yeah.
Bread namkeen and some nuts at night, power bars.
Wow, such a great memories. That's the thing with the food. Food evokes a lot of memories, and you relive those moments. I'm pretty sure yesterday many of you have savored some nice modaks. So that's the power of food, guys. I feel that it's like form of art as well as it's a science, because there is a lot of science involved in it.
So there is a request from Ruby. Can you please also explain it in Hindi as well?
Of course. तो जी आज मैं जो रेसिपी बनाने जा रहा हूँ उसका नाम है मशरूम मसाला ऑन टोस्ट. तो मशरूम मसाला ऑन टोस्ट जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वही मैं बना रहा हूँ. मसाला बना दिया हमने, उसमें हम सौते करेंगे मशरूम, थोड़ा सा डाल देंगे अमूल का फ्रेश क्रीम और फ्रेश बटर टू मेक इट रियली नाइस एंड टेस्टी, और इसको हम सर्व कर देंगे टोस्ट पे. जी मिडनाइट स्नैकिंग की रेसिपी है, तो बेसिकली you don't want to wake up at 11 in the night, or maybe let's say 12 in the midnight, and cook up the whole storm. So that's why I'm keeping it really easy, really simple, and this recipe could be as fast as 10 minutes. 10 minutes prep time, 10 minutes cooking time, 20 minutes you're sorted for midnight snacking. तो बस मैंने क्या किया, धनिया के सीड्स ले लिए, धनिया के सीड्स, काली मिर्च और थोड़ा सा नमक डाल के उसको धीमी फ्लेम पे, धीमी आंच पे उसको टोस्ट कर लिया. जब मैंने उसको टोस्ट कर लिया तो उसका बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर आने लगा. जब फ्लेवर आने लगा तो ये मेरे पास मोटर पेस्टल है. आई एम कीपिंग इट सिंपल. बस मैंने इसमें इसको ग्राइंड कर दिया जब तक कि ये कोर्सली ग्राउंड ना हो जाए. टेक अ लुक हियर. डोंट वरी if it is not fine powder, even if it is a little bit ground, दैट्स परफेक्ट। तो ये मैंने मसाला बना दिया हम अपने मशरूम के लिए, और अभी हम इधर शुरू करेंगे थोड़ा सा चॉपिंग से। ये मेरे पास पड़ी है हरी मिर्ची। हरी मिर्ची को मैं कर दूंगा चॉप।
Omkar says you used to order parathas from Rajdhani restaurant.
Absolutely, that's a good memory. Yes, Rajdhani restaurant. It was which was on highway, and we used to eat hell lot of parathas from there. So here I have taken one कढ़ाई। मैंने एक कढ़ाई ले ली है और इसको मैंने गरम करने के लिए रख दिया है। जब तक ये गरम होता है कढ़ाई, हम इसमें डाल देंगे थोड़ा सा तेल। बस इतना तेल डालना है कि आपका बटर जले ना, क्योंकि मैं ये डिश जो है वो बटर में बनाने वाला हूं। तो डाल दिया हमने अराउंड 1 टीस्पून तेल, और इसमें डाल दिया हमने अराउंड 2 डॉलप्स ऑफ बटर। बटर डालने में बिल्कुल हाथ पीछे नहीं रखना है, बिल्कुल प्यार से बटर डाल दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बटर से तो डिश में आएगा आपके टेस्ट। ये थोड़ा सा गर्म हो जाए। जब थोड़ा गर्म हो जाए तो इसमें हम डाल देंगे हल्का सा जीरा। एंड नाउ द वेटिंग टाइम बिगिंस। लेट्स वेट टिल द टाइम आवर फैट इज नाइस एंड हॉट। So how's your Ganpati days going so far? What are you doing in this Ganpati? Do you have any plans? I encourage you all not to go outside, not to go at the crowded places. Please take care of yourself, stay safe, because right now that's our priority. Stay at home, make a good meal for your loved ones, enjoy this meal and cherish your moments with your loved ones. Okay, so my fat is hot. अभी मेरा तेल और बटर गर्म हो चुका है, तो मैंने इसमें ये मसाला डाल दिया। हमें ऑडिबल इनफ? मैं क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हो जी? ओके। तो ये जो मैंने मसाला बना दिया था वो मैंने डाल दिया अराउंड 2 पिंच, लेट्स से 1 टेबलस्पून मसाला डाल दिया। मसालों की खुशबू ऑलरेडी आने शुरू हो गई है। जब ये मसाला मेरा थोड़ा सा भून गया तो मैंने इसमें डाल दिया ये हल्का सा गार्लिक। अगर आपको गार्लिक के बिना ये डिश बनानी है तो यू कैन ऑलवेज रिप्लेस इट विथ सम हिंग। और जब मेरा गार्लिक हल्का सा भून गया तब मैंने इसमें डाल दिया ये अपना चॉप किया हुआ ग्रीन चिली। अगर आपका चिली ज़्यादा तीखा है तो कम डालें, क्योंकि हम इसमें लाल मिर्ची और काली मिर्च भी डाल रहे हैं, हमें ज़्यादा तीखा नहीं बनाना है। और बस अभी फ्लेवर तो हमने डाल दिया। अब बारी आती है मशरूम की। लेट्स ऐड मशरूम्स इन। मैं इधर अराउंड 500 ग्राम मशरूम डाल रहा हूं इसमें, बिकॉज दैट्स गुड इनफ फॉर 2 पीपल। एंड हियर कम्स सम टॉसिंग स्किल्स। आपको ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है, घबराने की बात नहीं है। आप बस इसको हल्के हल्के चला ले, बट हाई फ्लेम पे चला ले। यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट योर फ्लेम इज हाई, so that your mushrooms are getting caramelized really nice. Today I'm using different variety of mushrooms, wild mushrooms. I have some creamy mushrooms, some button mushrooms, little bit of elephant mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, all that wild variety of mushrooms. What all variety of mushrooms are you aware of? You let me know in comments. Do you know any mushrooms other than white mushrooms, button mushrooms? Like there are variety of mushrooms. I'm pretty sure you guys know. You guys are smart.
So we have a question from Omkar. Are those blanched or just chopped?
No, these are just chopped, but one more big step is to wash them and clean them. Sometimes mushroom has some dirt and some little bit of soil. So what I do is I take a bowl, I put whole mushrooms in. I put a little bit of atta, because atta is like coarse, which acts like a powder, and then I wash it under running water. If the mushroom is too dirty, then I even peel it off. You can always peel it off, or you can leave it as it is. As long as your mushrooms are clean and free from any soil or dust, it is all good. So mushrooms को हमें धो लेना है। जब मशरूम्स हमारे पूरे अक्खे साबुत मशरूम्स हुए, उसकी मैंने डंडियाँ निकाल दी और मशरूम को मैंने थोड़ा सा आटा और रनिंग वाटर में, टैप वाटर में अच्छे से धो लिया। मशरूम को धोना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है क्योंकि कुछ कुछ मशरूम्स सॉइल में उगते हैं तो उसमें कभी कभी मिट्टी आ जाती है। तो बी श्योर टू वॉश योर मशरूम्स नाइस ट्वाइस और थ्राइस। तो मशरूम को मैंने इधर सौते कर लिया और अलग अलग वैरायटीज ऑफ वाइल्ड मशरूम्स हमने उसमें यूज़ किए हैं। कुछ नाम बताने के लिए, वी हैव शैंटरल मशरूम्स विच जो एक छतरी की तरह दिखते हैं, बहुत ही ब्राइट कलर होता है। ऑयस्टर मशरूम्स, लॉबस्टर मशरूम्स जो लॉबस्टर की तरह दिखते हैं। There are enoki mushrooms which are small. Do you have any comments?
No, sir. Tarunika Verma, she just wants to know the recipe. Can you just elaborate it shortly?
Sure.
Just summarize it.
Yeah. So we are making mushroom masala on toast. So it is as simple as it sounds. हमने मशरूम के लिए मसाला बना दिया है और इसको हम टोस्ट पे सर्व करने वाले हैं। ये एक मिडनाइट स्नैकिंग की क्विक एंड इजी रेसिपी है। To summarize it, हमने उसका मसाला बना लिया। We took a little bit of coriander seeds or dhania seeds. We took a little bit of black peppercorns. We took chili flakes, little bit of salt, toasted it real quick और हमने इसको ग्राइंड कर दिया मोटर एंड पेस्टल में। ये मसाला बन के तैयार हो गया। तब हमने थोड़ा सा तेल लिया, हल्का सा उसमें डाल दिया बटर और उसमें डाल दिया हमने हमारा बना हुआ मसाला और थोड़ा सा जीरा। जब वो मसाला भून गया तब हमने डाल दिया उसमें थोड़ा सा गार्लिक, थोड़ी सी हरी चिली और डाल दिए उसमें हमने मशरूम। अभी मशरूम को हम हाई फ्लेम पे पका रहे हैं और बी श्योर नॉट टू ऐड सॉल्ट एट दिस स्टेज। नमक हमें इस स्टेज पे नहीं डालना है क्योंकि अगर आप अभी नमक डाल देंगे तो मशरूम पानी छोड़ देगा। इफ इट बिकम्स वाटरी देन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डेवलप गुड फ्लेवर इन मशरूम। तो अभी हमें इसमें सॉल्ट बिल्कुल नहीं डालना है जब तक कि ये अच्छे से सौते ना हो जाए। तो मशरूम सौते होके श्रिंक हो जाते हैं।
Mr. Anup Sharma wants to know how atta helps in cleaning.
So what
mushroom.
atta does is it acts like a scrub for our mushrooms. When you put atta into the mushroom, it also helps to create a nice coating so that your mushrooms don't soak a lot of water. Mushroom has porous texture and when mushroom has porous texture it tends to absorb a lot of water. You don't want your mushrooms to absorb too much water unless you are making a soup. So that's why you use atta while washing your mushrooms. Alrighty. Look at this beautiful color. Good caramelization on this mushrooms right now. Take a look, take a closer look.
It smells so good.
Thank you. It does smell really nice and it's really tempting. So अभी हमने इसमें मीडियम हीट डाल दी है और इसको हमने हल्के से टॉस कर दिया है जब तक इस पे अच्छे से कलर ना है।
Vishnu Priya says oyster mushrooms are one of the best mushrooms and they have more vitamins and cholecalciferol in it. So she usually prefers that one.
That's great. Now this is the time when I'm gonna grate some ginger in. जिंजर और अदरक का मैंने छोटा टुकड़ा ले लिया और हल्का सा इसमें ग्रेट कर दिया। बिल्कुल, you should, I highly encourage you, if you haven't tried it so far, try using different varieties of mushroom because every mushroom have its unique taste and unique flavors and it always adds on to your dish.
Is there any substitute for mushroom?
Yes, if you don't want mushroom, you can use soya chunks for this recipe. You can make avocado toast. You don't even have to cook anything. You just toast, you slice avocados and garnish it with a little bit of cream cheese or something and it tastes really good. There are beetroot and goat cheese on toast. I can just go on and on. There is actually a restaurant here. It's called Toast Culture. They serve more than 50 varieties of toast. So get creative while cooking, and just because I'm showing you mushrooms on toast recipe, don't stick to it. Experiment in kitchen, come up with new recipes. आप मुझे बताइए कि आपका मशरूम का टॉपिंग क्या हो सकता है, आई मीन टोस्ट का टॉपिंग क्या हो सकता है। अगर आपको आपकी सिग्नेचर टोस्ट बनाने हैं, इफ यू वांट टू गेट क्रिएटिव इन किचन, अगर आपको क्रिएटिव बनना है किचन में, तो आप क्या बनाओगे टोस्ट के ऊपर। मैं तो आज बना रहा हूँ मशरूम मसाला ऑन टोस्ट। आप ऑनेस्टली टोस्ट के ऊपर कुछ भी डाल के हल्का सा खा सकते हैं, जस्ट लाइक सैंडविच, ओपन फेस सैंडविच वी कॉल इट। In Italy there is variety called crostinis and bruschettas. That is another type of open faced sandwich. तो मुझे कमेंट में बताइए कि अगर आप अपने मास्टर शेफ किचन में बिल्कुल टॉप शेफ की तरह घुस गए, एप्रन वेप्रन पहन लिया और आपको एक नई रेसिपी क्रिएट करनी है जो कि बिल्कुल आसान हो, समथिंग ऑन टोस्ट, प्लीज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. व्हाट विल यू मेक ऑन टोस्ट? It could be beetroot on toast, it could be mushrooms on toast, avocados toast. Let me know in comments what's gonna be your toast. Give it a thought, thinking. जब आप सोचने लग जाओगे ना, I'm pretty sure you come up with hell lot of ideas, lot of variety of ideas. So what would be your toast for your midnight snack? Let me know. Till the time, I'm gonna start adding some masalas. I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric. Around 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna add a little bit of red chili powder, and that's about it. Because हमने पहले इसमें मसाले डाल दिए हैं. जब मसाले डाल दिए हैं तो ये टाइम है जिसमें हम नमक डाल देंगे. नमक ज़्यादा नहीं डालना है because when we toasted our spices we added a little bit of salt to it. So remember, it always have a little bit of salt in it. So be sure to not to add too much salt. And meanwhile this is toasting, take a look here. This is Cook with Dhaval. Cook with Dhaval is my YouTube channel's name as well as my Facebook page, where I try and post new recipes and old classic recipes which are really quick and easy to make. मैं इस पे आपको बहुत ही आसान और बहुत ही फास्ट बनने वाले इंटरेस्टिंग रेसिपीज बताता हूँ. तो आपको अगर कुछ ऐसी मज़ेदार रेसिपीज देखने हैं तो प्लीज़ ट्यून इन ऑन कुक विद धवल. तो जी इसमें हमने बटर यूज़ किया है, अमूल बटर. अमूल बटर का तो मतलब कहना ही क्या, हर चीज़ में अमूल बटर डाल दो तो स्वाद तो बढ़ जाएगा ही. अभी दिस इज द टाइम. माई मशरूम हैज़ गुड कलर. ऑल द मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम मशरूम्स हैव बीन रिड्यूस्ड. मशरूम का जो मॉइस्चर है वो निकल गया है. और इस मौके पे अभी मैं इसमें डालने वाला हूँ अमूल का फ्रेश क्रीम. आई वुड हाईली encourage you to use Amul fresh cream, which is 33%, which is also called like double cream or whipping cream. आप वो क्रीम यूज करें क्योंकि जब आप हेवी क्रीम यूज करोगे it will create a good coating for our mushrooms. At this stage we'll increase the flame and reduce down the cream. So did you come up with some ideas for your toast, your signature toast?
Yes, so Ruby says mushroom with cheese, it tastes very good.
Yeah.
Also capsicum, tomato, onion and suji.
Wow.
Then we have some corn on toast.
Amazing.
Or zucchini with cream cheese, salt and pepper.
Wow, you guys are
As
chefs.
topping.
You guys are like natural. I asked you to come up with some ideas and you came up with like amazing recipes. Keep on experimenting in your kitchen and I'm pretty sure you would create hell lot of toast, lot of variety of toasts. तो जी अपना क्रीम हो गया है reduce. It has created a good coating consistency and this is the time when I would give it a quick taste just to check if it has enough masalas and all. So good. जो हमने मसाला बनाया था कोरिएंडर, लाल मिर्ची और ब्लैक पेपर कॉर्न्स का, वो मसाला सच्ची में इस डिश को कुछ ज्यादा ही टेस्टी बना देता है. इट जस्ट टेक्स इट टू द अनदर लेवल. सी योर sauce has to be like coating consistency. How would you know if your sauce is good? When you come close here, when you cross a line on your spoon, it should stay like that. So that way you would know that it has come to the right consistency. At this stage, what we will do is add some kasuri methi. Kasuri methi और मशरूम का तो स्वाद ही कुछ बढ़िया आता है. तो बस हम फिनिश करेंगे हल्की सी कसूरी मेथी के साथ. और it's also called dried fenugreek leaf. We'll just rub it in our palm, give it a mix, and this is the time when we will switch off the flame. क्योंकि अपना मशरूम तो रेडी हो गया बस 10 मिनट में. And I'm gonna finish it with grated cheese. I would highly encourage you to use Amul processed cheese for this. Today I couldn't find Amul processed cheese, so I'm using another variety of cheese which is very similar to Amul processed cheese. एक चीज ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है, that when you are using cheese in this recipe, always switch off the flame and then only add your cheese. If you add cheese at initial stage and if you cook it too long, it will overcook and become stringy. So be sure not to add cheese at initial stage. Do add cheese only at the end. हमने इसको कर लिया हल्के से मिक्स, तो it created a good coating. Beautiful. And at this stage I'm going to take this marble rye bread, cut it into half and put it in my toaster. You want a recipe which is easy and would be ready in few minutes. That's why I'm using marble rye bread. This is marble rye bread. Basically what marble rye toast is, it's variety of dark rye grains and white bread, and it has creating this marbling effect. I really like this dense bread. But आप कोई भी bread इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. आपके घर में अगर white bread है तो आप white toast बना सकते हैं. आपके घर पे अगर brioche bun है, brioche bread है, तो आप brioche bread भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Any questions so far? If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me in comments. Ask me any questions and I would be more than happy to assist you with any questions you have. If we are good, then we'll move on to our final stage, which is plating. बस मैंने कर लिया इधर हल्के से सफाई.
So Vishnupriya has a question.
Yes, please.
Can we replace it with khoya or khawa instead of cream for getting more gravy with thickness for this recipe?
Yes, of course. You can always replace it with khoya. What khoya does is it adds good consistency or good texture to our gravy, and you can always add a little bit of milk and khoya as a combination, because when khoya reduces, it creates very thick gravy. So you want to have a good coating consistency. So definitely replace it with a little bit of khoya and it should do wonders for you. तो मेरा ये हो गया है टोस्ट बना के तैयार. इसको मैं रख देता हूँ इस बढ़िया सी प्लेट में. You can alternatively also add a little bit of butter or olive oil, and you can even grill it. So no, like I have toasted it just because I want to be real quick, but you can always add a little bit of char to your bread. If you have sourdough, you can definitely go for it. I'm putting a little bit of Amul butter. On my toast. You know it's gonna taste good as soon as you put some butter on it. So it is really easy, simple, and really can't go wrong with nice toast and some butter on it. बस ये जो क्रम गिरा है इसका मैं थोड़ा कर लेता हूँ साफ. And this is the time when I'll be adding our mushroom masala on the top. Look at this beautiful mushroom masala. It has got good consistency, good color, and nice चीज हम इसके ऊपर डाल देंगे. ये बढ़िया सा मशरूम मसाला. We'll top our crispy toast with this tasty mushroom masala. And to kick things off,
Jyoti asked if it's white butter.
No, it is regular salted butter what we are using, but you can definitely use white butter. घर का खाना तो घर का खाना ही है. अगर घर पे आपने white butter बनाया है, churn किया है, I would encourage you to use that white butter. It would definitely taste really nice. At this stage, I have some fresh cilantro or coriander here. धनिया, जिसको मैं हल्के से ऊपर से लगा दूंगा. कुछ धनिया के स्प्रिग्स. And there are some flower varieties which are also edible flowers. So I have some beautiful marigold here. These are edible marigolds. You can use pansies or whatever. Garlic flowers are really nice. Look at these beautiful flowers. I'm just gonna add them as a garnish. It has really nice earthy taste to it and creates a great presentation for our toast. You can always skip it and just garnish it with a little bit of cilantro, and it would still look very stunning. Here, a good garnish. I think visual appeal is very important in a dish. कोई भी dish देख के पहले खाने का मन करना चाहिए.
Mr. Anup Sharma says some more grated cheese on top.
Of
Will
course.
make it.
Only for Mr. Anup Sharma, I'm gonna add a little bit more grated cheese. So this is pickled onions. I've just thinly sliced onion and I've pickled it with a little bit of vinegar. I'm using red wine vinegar here, but you can always replace it with like quick pickle lemon juice, salt and sugar. So these are beautiful red onions. Take a look. How nice does it look?
Valeria asked, like, how do we know which mushrooms are edible?
I would suggest that don't try to experiment unless you are 100% sure. Best way is to go to your supermarket and buy mushrooms, because there is a whole course. There is a book called Foraging for Beginners. So what foraging is, you go to the wild forest and you go on a harvest, and there are experts who have been trained for years and years into foraging, and they know exactly which mushrooms are edible and which mushrooms are not. So I would not ask you to go and start foraging nearby, because it's not safe. Some mushrooms are poisonous, so avoid going on your own and getting wild mushrooms from the wild. Always, if you want to go for foraging, always go with an expert.
Miss Shivleela wants to know, what are those yellow flowers?
These yellow flowers are Jhendu or marigold. In Marathi we call it Jhendu, English marigold. It has really nice aroma and really good flavor. It also looks beautiful for our presentation and also adds on to the flavor. Take a look from sideways how pretty it looks. And just because Mr. Anup asked, here is a little bit more cheese. Gorgeous, isn't it? I'm adding this grated Parmesan cheese on the top, but you can always replace it with Amul cheese or whichever cheese you would like. And our mushroom masala on toast is ready. By the way, this herb here, who knows what herb is this, which I used for garnish? Anybody? Come on, I'm pretty sure you guys know. It's called shaif. जब हम लहसुन उगाते हैं, तो लहसुन को जब हम पत्ते आते हैं, ये लहसुन के पत्ते हैं, और it's, as we call it, shives. Beautiful it looks. Presentation के लिए हम इधर रख देंगे board पे. And because it's almost midnight, it's time to eat. It's time to snack on them. So do give it a try and let me know in comments how did you like it. If you think that you know someone who would enjoy eating this recipe, definitely tag them in comments so they could enjoy this recipe as well. And to watch more recipes like this.
So do we call this pyaz patti, the herb that we put at
नहीं,
the end?
प्याज की पत्ती जो होती है इसको हम स्कैलियन या ग्रीन अनियन बोलते हैं. दिस इज गार्लिक. ये लहसुन की पत्ती है, इसको हम लहसुन की पत्ती बोल सकते हैं. तो इसको हमने गार्निश के लिए रख दिया और ये बन गया आपका ब्यूटीफुल मशरूम मसाला ऑन टोस्ट. फॉर मोर रेसिपीज लाइक दिस, you know where to find the recipe. Cook with Dhaval. Don't worry if you have missed out on some recipe. I'm going to post detailed recipe in comments as well as on my page, Cook with Dhaval. So keep an eye for it. Do tune in at my Facebook page, Cook with Dhaval, as well as my YouTube for more interesting recipes like this. And I will be sharing detailed recipe for this mushroom masala on toast on my page. So if you have missed on recipe, I'm pretty sure you will get the recap of it. Till the time, keep eating, stay safe and enjoy. and I'll see you next time. Right now, if you have any questions, shoot me, and then we'll wind up in a minute. How does it look? All right, guys, amazing. Thank you so much, Chitra. Thank you, Pranab Das. Thank you, Anup Sharma. I'm happy that you really enjoyed tuning in today, and I'm really glad that you're going to try this recipe. Definitely, you can try this recipe very easily. Prep time is just 10 minutes, cooking time is just 15 minutes, and do give it a try. Share it with your loved ones. Thanks again. Stay safe and enjoy. I'll see you next time when I do live. Till then, cook with Dhaval. Keep cooking and stay happy. Cheers.